Shalom this morning. I'm out here working on my raised bed. Right here on this bed right here, it was low to my border right here. And so instead of buying topsoil, what I'm doing is, because the topsoil right here is real good, it's nice and black and it grow real good. Nice black soil. So what I'm doing is I'm taking the 8 inches right here at the low spot. So what I'm doing, I'm taking 8 to 9 inches of this topsoil right here, and I'm taking it and set it to the side. And what I do is, right here, I've already dug this out. And so what I do here is I take old wood that I have in cardboard boxes. And what I do is I lay it down here. Things that decompose, and lay it down here. And what I do is, after I finish, I'm gonna get this right here out. Take 8 inches, at least 8 inches of the topsoil off. Right here. And I fill this up with cardboard and wood that I have scattered out here. And I put the soil back on it. I take and put the soil back on the top. And instead of buying topsoil that I need, I just use the soil that I have. So what I've done is I filled this up with cardboard, wood, old wood I got laying around. And then I take my dirt and I cover it back up to reach my border, to raise up my bed. I'm gonna finish filling this up and I get the dirt back over. This is a little small, maybe 5 by 10 feet. So it's a little small area that I'm doing. I had some bales of hay too, so I'm gonna throw them in here too. Well, I got this done. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.